you so much for stopping back to my channel. My name is Rose, and I'm a girl boss on a budget who loves to project pan and save money. If you're new here, hi, welcome to the family. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video is a 2-in-1 or project pan collab called Turn and Burn. It is both my intro to this and my 1-month check-in. Just because, you know, I have been, for those that are following me, know that I have been trying to get all my intros to the current project panning collabs that I am involved in up onto YouTube for you guys to see from beginning all the way to the end of each collab. I've been busy filming those and doing some other things I have in store, you know, giveaways and stuff like that, that I just hadn't had time to do this one. But it is a fantastic ladies collab as well. I love those ladies over there. They are such a huge inspiration to me. They are the reason why I started project panning, and a huge shout out to Jessica Lee. She is one of my biggest motivators to project pan and start my YouTube channel just all together. Amanda is another really awesome project panner, and Paula and Caena, just everybody over there has been really great. I will link all their channels down below. You guys definitely should go check them out. They are amazing. So, Turn It and Burn is, you know, what Turn and Burn is it is a 1-year rolling project where you use up all of your samples and mini products and like deluxe size mini products. This is a really good way to use up all them samples and stuff. If you have samples in your collection, which we all have those samples, you know, and you know, if you are a member at Sephora, you know, you get 2 samples automatically every time, and then you get your point perks, and then you get, you know, your rewards bazaar, and, you know, before you know it, all of them little minis can then, you know, build up to a mini mountain, so to speak. So when I seen this, I thought this was perfect for me. Of course, I was going to jump in on this as well and just use up some of my many samples and minis and smaller size products that I do own. Especially if you're like new to project panning or interested in project panning, this would be another good one for you to maybe start and jump into, as you know, it is not as intense. I always say intense, you guys, because I can't think of any other word for what I'm trying to say. But I think you guys understand what I'm trying to say. So yeah, I mean, it's just a great way to use up all them samples and minis that we all have. It is a 1-year rolling project, and you pick 5 items, and you focus on using them until you use them up, move them out, and then you roll in more samples as you use those up. So, without further ado, let's just go ahead and hop on into the video. Okay, so like I said, this is my Turn and Burn intro / 1-month update, you guys. So, you know, upon filming this, I thought to myself, you know, I was going to show you guys what I currently have in the project now, and then, you know, what I have used up, but the majority of the stuff that I used up was in my September empties, and I threw them away. You know, all of the empties after filming that video, most of them got tossed in the trash. So I will just insert pictures of everything that I have used up for you guys to see. If you're interested in checking out that video, I will link it in the cards as well. So yeah, let me just go ahead and show you guys what I got. But I do, however, I happen to have 2 of my samples that I used up for the month of October here to show you guys the empties, because they got used up in this month. Let me just go ahead and show you guys what I got. And I'm just going to start with these two because I counted these as two. Why? I don't know. So technically it would have made it 6 or 7 minis, but these are no longer in the project right now. And that is my Dior mini foundation and primer, backstage primer and foundation. It's actually really nice. Don't get me wrong. It's not that it was bad. It's just that I got this in the very beginning of summer, and as you can tell, it is really dark. It is the shade 4N, and it is just way too dark for me anymore. You know, I still have a pretty nice medium, light to medium skin tone now, with a neutral undertone. So this is just a little too dark for me. So I will hold on to her and use it again next summer. When summer rolls around again, I'll be sure to use it up and use it then. But until then, I had to roll it out. So I rolled out the primer with it just so that they stay together. So, because there's no way. I mean, I could lighten it and all that, but I already have another foundation that is starting to be too dark for me in another project, 12 Pans of Christmas, and that is my L'Oreal Pro Glow. So I'm just going to focus on one that's tough enough being dark as it is. So altogether, currently in this project, I have 6 items. So it's 5. You can do 6, you can do 4. It's really however many you want, but the rule is to have 5. But I have 6 just because the 2 of these I use on a nightly basis and they'll be gone quickly, and the other one is about gone as it is. So with the first one is my Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Concentrate. And you use this to, after you wash your face and everything, remove all your makeup, wash your face, put on your moisturizers and your serums. You can then put this over top as well, and then your moisturizer and stuff. Next, I have my mini Gimmie brow from Benefit trying to use up. This is actually a really nice brow product. You know, it's a brow gel, just as a little small guy. So I will definitely get this used up in no time. Next one is my Glam Glow Good in Bed. This is like a passion fruit softening night cream. It is actually really nice. I have really been enjoying this. Really is softening and makes your skin feel incredible. Very nice product. Next one is my Bare Minerals Hydrating little mini foundation stick. And I don't have much left to go on her. That is basically it right there. So I will use her up and get it on out of here. Next one is my Tatcha Silk Canvas Mini. I have the full size of her as well. I really enjoy this. So before I dip back into the full size one, I want to get this little guy used up and out of here. I definitely will not have a problem using this up and getting it out of here. And then lastly is my Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask sample. I've had 2 of these. This is now my second one, and it is about gone. I don't know how I can show you. There you can kind of see it. But she is about gone, as you can see. And I will have no problem at all using the rest of that up. And then some of the items from this month, since it is my 1 month update as well as my intro, some of the items that I did use up were my Claudel Vinyl Perfect Serum, which was like a milky stuff. It was really, really nice. So as you can see, it is completely empty. And then another item I used up was my little Smashbox Primer Mini, little primerizer. It is gone. I'm not getting a single drop out of her. It's just the way it's stuck to the glass on the inside. I mean, I have tried. It is nothing's coming out, you guys. It's done for. So I just got to rinse it out. And, you know, come October, at the end of October, my monthly empties, I will take pictures and, of course, do a video and upload it as well. And then, so those are the 2 products that I used up so far for the month of October. So they're the only 2 that I have to show you. So the other ones I will have to look down in my other phone for reference that I used up, which was my Dior Capture Youth Age Defining Moisturizer. That's a long word. Which was just a little sample, as you can see in the photo. It was just a little guy. I mean, it was such a little guy that I really didn't have enough to even judge if I liked it or not. Next one was my Josie Martin Vitamin C Brightening Oil, which was really nice. That was another one that goes the same with your nightly skincare routine. After you remove your makeup and wash your face and apply your serums and stuff, you can incorporate it in there. It was really nice. And then, yeah, the other two, you know, I rolled out, which was the Dior Backstage Primer and Foundation. So that is it. Those were all my little minis and that I have for this project that I wanted to show you guys. I just figured I would hop on here real quick and get my intro in and I figured I might as well do my intro and my 1 month update all in one. I mean, I don't know if it's ever been done before, if it's allowed, but I mean, it is what it is, you know? So yeah, that's everything, you guys. I just wanted to show you, you know, what I had. So stay tuned for my giveaway. It's coming very soon. The items did arrive today, so I will be posting pictures over on my Instagram. Be sure to go over there and check out the rules to enter for my giveaway over there. And I will be filming my giveaway video over here very soon, but I won't be able to post pictures or anything until tomorrow. So hopefully when this goes up, if I don't post this today, which is Monday the 14th, which is my 1 month check-in for my turn and burn, because I didn't mention that, I do apologize. My start date for my turn and burn project was September 14th of 2019, and today is now Monday, October 14th, 2019. So I'm gonna try to get this up today, same day. It's really tough though. It's gonna be really hard to do because I have to go to work now. I work second shift, and so it'll be tough. But definitely stay tuned for the giveaway video. It's going to be the next one I upload, hopefully, on how to enter and stuff. I will specifically, you know, make sure to explain on how to enter, and you definitely don't want to miss out. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate your guys' support. You know, it means so much to me that you guys are interested in following me on my journey, and your support just really means the world to me. And I'm doing these giveaways just to show my appreciation and just a thank you to you guys for everybody who has subscribed and got me over that first milestone, which is 100 subscribers. The giveaway will be 2 weeks long. Ideally, I want to get to 300 subscribers. That is the goal for the giveaway, and 600 followers over on my Instagram. So if you guys, we can do this together and help me reach that goal for this giveaway, that would be awesome. And if you haven't subscribed and you're new here, please come and subscribe to my channel. We have a lot of fun over here. Everybody is very encouraging and very sweet, and it's just nothing but a lot of laughter and love, and it has just been a wonderful experience. Granted, you know, it's tough when you're starting out on YouTube and you're new to it. But if you are interested in starting a channel of your own, just don't give up on it. You know, it can be challenging at times, especially when you're new, but just keep pushing through, you know, like me. I'm just going to keep pushing through. You know, some days are harder than others. You don't see any growth on some days, and some days you see a little, you know, and I just got to remind myself that I'm new still. And, you know, I will get there, and we will get there together, you know, and it's because of your guys' support that, you know, I am going to get there. So thank you very much, you guys, and everybody enjoy the rest of their day. Bye.